Good morning students. Today we will do 17th chapter Geometry. Firstly we will do definitions. First one is point. What is point? Point is a dot. It has a definite position. It has no length, no breadth and no thickness. For example, this is point A. This is point B. Next one is line. What is a line? Line is a set of points. It has no endpoints. It has no fixed length. It can be extended from both the sides. For example, we are having a line AB, but it has no fixed length because we can extend it from this side also and this side also. It can be extended from both the sides. These arrows denote that this line can be extended. We can name it AB. We can name it with single letter, that is in small letters. For example, line L. Next is line segment. What is line segment? A line segment is a part of line. Then we have a line and out of this we have a part. A part is segment. A part is called segment. AB is a line segment. It has two endpoints. A and B are two endpoints of line segment AB. It has a fixed length. Here AB is equal to 5 cm. So it cannot be extended. Line segment AB has no arrows. So this denotes it cannot be extended. A line can be extended, so it has arrows, but line segment cannot be extended. Next one is ray. Ray is a part of line. Ray is also a part of line. It has a definite starting point. In this ray, A is its starting point, but goes indefinitely in other direction, means it can be extended to one direction. From starting point to other direction we can extend it. This is ray AB. Let us do some questions. First one is name the line segments of the given figures. We are given these figures, we are to name the line segments of these figures. In first figure, this is a triangle PQR. We are having 1, 2, 3 line segments in this figure. Names are PQ, QR and RP. These are 3 line segments in this triangle. In second figure, we are having AB, BC, CD, DA, DB and AC. 6 line segments. Name of line segments. We will start from A, AB, BC, CD, DA, AC and DB. Hope this is clear. Next question is, how many lines can be drawn through 2 points? Let us try. We are having 2 points A and B. How many lines can be drawn? We will try to draw the lines from 2 points. This line can be drawn which passes through A and B both. If we draw any other line, for example this line, this will pass only through A. This line will pass through B only. More lines we can draw. This will pass through A but not from B. This will pass through B but not from A. So only one line can be passed through A and B both. So our answer is we can draw only one line passing through two given points. Only one line can be drawn through 2 points. Is this clear? In next question, he is saying mark 3 points, join them by straight lines. How many line segments do you get? For example, we are having 3 points A, B, C which are collinear. When we join these AB, then BC, then AC, we have a straight line. How many line segments? AB, BC and AC. We will have 3 line segments. Or assume we are having 3 non-collinear points. 3 points which are not in a line. P, Q, R. When we join these, PQ, QR and RP. Again we have 3 line segments. 1, 2, 3. PQ, QR and RP. 3 line segments. Whether points are collinear or non-collinear, we will have 3 line segments by joining 3 points. Next question is, draw a line segment AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now how to draw the line segment of a given length? You are having a scale starting from 0, then 4 small lines, then a line, then 4 small lines, then a bigger line, and here it is 1. This is 1 centimeter and these are millimeters. 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter, or we can say 4.5 centimeter. When we want to draw 4.5 centimeter, we will start from 0, go up to 4, then we will count 5 points after this. We will have a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. 0, then 5 points after this 4. This will be a line segment of length 4.5 centimeter. Then we will write line segment AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Hope this is clear how to draw the line segment. Thank you.